It's that time of year in Minnesota where somehow 3 degrees feels balmy, especially with calm, complete still air, no wind, and a lot of sunshine today. So I'm in very good spirits. And Corey helped me make those nailer boards yesterday that I will have to put in to be able to screw the paneling on when I'm putting the walls on the cabin. I also still need to peel the excess fiberglass off of those side walls so I can plastic the whole thing and panel the whole thing. I have paneling that Corey and I were working on last night. We didn't film it because our wood shop is a mess, but we were planing boards and getting them ready. We have to put them through a joiner to make like the edges flat so they stack together nicely on the walls. And soon I will be putting paneling in this cabin, and that will really, really change it. I think it'll make it feel a little bit smaller, but that's okay. Well, that didn't go. Oh man, completely missed it. Okay, so I kind of forgot from when Corey and I were out here last night, but this board over here is too long. That's my nailer board that needs to fit in there. I'm gonna run and get a saw to cut that. I found our saw thing, it's not a jigsaw, and I ended up realizing that we must have rodents or something in our toolbox, because along with the saw and other tools, I found a large bag of peanut clusters and a box of unopened Girl Scout cookies. So there must be some kind of animal or rodent or something that is stocking up for winter in the toolbox, where I would typically not look for it. Oh geez.
Golden days drifting far away, light is leaving town, colors fade, but I'm thinking we stay just for a little while. Let's lose track of time, darling, stay for a little longer while I hold your time. Will wait, rest your head upon my shoulder, nothing in our head is colder, but the day's not over yet. Summer nights watch them go by as we fight off the cold.
We have fully insulated the cabin, and because the side walls were only 4 inches thick and I had to peel some of that insulation off so it wasn't too thick, now we have enough insulation for the whole thing. So the whole thing is insulated and I have insulation left over, so that's awesome. I think I'm gonna wait for Corey to help with the plastic. I don't think I can get it up as high as I want by myself. I might get it started here, but then once I get as far as I can go, I'm gonna have to wait for Corey to come help. I don't want to mess up the box because this plastic is way more than what I could ever use on this cabin. So we're going to be storing this to use for other projects. So I don't want to mess up the box. This is really bad. This is gigantic. Ah. Probably don't need these. This is what we've currently got. We probably have, you know, the staples up about as tall as I am over here, and then on that end a little bit less. However, I ran out of staples, so I have to run to the house and get more staples, and then hopefully load them correctly, because that was the issue last time, why the stapler wasn't working, because I didn't load them correctly. And of course, when Corey fixed it, I didn't pay attention, so hopefully I can reload that and keep going. I don't know how much farther I can go without his help anyway, but this is actually honestly a little bit easier than I thought. And I did not expect the plastic to reach the whole wall, let alone all the way around the corner over here. So I'll be able to go at least up to like here with that plastic before, you know, we're gonna obviously have to put another piece over this whole side anyway. But it's nice to not have so much overlap for the plastic, because that's where a lot of the heat would escape, and just have more like creases and stuff. So this is where we're at. Looks great. I went up to the house and had some lunch, and the reason I went up to the house was to get more staples. I cannot find the staples anywhere. I have no idea where they are, but Corey bought me a box full of brand new staples for this project. So I'm hoping that they're actually out here somewhere and I can find them. And Colt insisted he was gonna come with. He won't wear his outdoor booties, and I always get comments in videos saying like, why don't you put shoes on him? He tears them off and he chews on them. So I was just gonna leave him in the house since it's cold on his feet, but he was not about that. He knew I was coming outside, and once he went out the door, I couldn't get him to go back in the house. He wouldn't listen to me because he wanted to come with, so I caved. Where are my staples? The staples are not out here, which is what I had thought. So we're missing an entire box of staples. Should I just give up and go buy staples so I can get this done? Or should I find the staples that are obviously somewhere? I just have to find them. I found this bag of staples in the tools situation that we've got going on. I don't think the staples that I got are in here, but I found something, so hopefully they fit and work in these staple guns. And hopefully I put them in correctly. Hey, it works.
My darling, all is well. My darling, your anxious heart is well bestowed. Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Be still, my darling. All is well, my darling. Your anxious heart may well be so. Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Oh, darling, don't be scared. Love keep on changing us both. Death will meet our bodies, but it'll never touch my soul. If you are afraid, the heavens don't.
This is actually going way better than I expected, so I'm having a good time. Here, so this wall is what I have left to plastic. I think I should be able to do that pretty much all on my own. So then this whole thing will be plasticked and ready for paneling. So this is the before. I think you're supposed to just completely cover the window and then cut the window out later. I don't know if starting on the bottom on this one was the right thing to do, but I kind of already committed. The thing is I'm gonna have to cut the plastic up at the ceiling. But I'll figure it out. If I do so myself. I don't really know how the best way to do the window is, so I'm gonna wait and get opinions. Okay, I'm ready for you to come here and see your reaction to my beautiful handiwork.
Okay, here I come.
Here you come.
I'm coming. Wow. It looks nice and warm in here.
It is really warm after a little bit. Your body heat heats it up.
What a cute little space, huh?
Isn't it?
Yeah. Yep.
Yep, so
I think that'll do.
the peak still has to be stapled tight.
Or you can leave it like that, like you said.
But
You're
even
gonna
like
put a board across the center.
up there, I couldn't reach.
Yeah.
It's as far as I could reach.
Even with that stool.
Yeah, even with the stool. Here, hold this. Watch.
Oh, there's a whole nother step there.
This?
Not for you. I'll do it.
No.
I'll do
And
it.
then I didn't know, do I just like, or do I give it a couple inches?
Yeah. If you want to come in a couple inches or cut the corner at
Like this?
at an angle,
Like this?
and then you can fold that in.
Doing it like here?
You're doing it? Okay, let's go.
Oh, don't rush me. Oops. The blade isn't very sharp. Cricket it is.
That's good.
Should do the top first. While it's still taut. Look at my over that.
Lovely.
And a little slip.
Yep.
Wow, look, I'm already professional. There you go.
That corner.
Oh, it's all messed up.
Beautiful.
Okay, now I just need to clean the window.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Looks wonderful.
And then that plastic, I cut this piece way too long. It's kind of giant, so I don't know if there's something we can actually use it for. How does it look?
Ready for paneling, huh?
I think so. That's what I thought, but I didn't know. Time to put paneling on. Thanks for watching. Kind of messy, but it's pretty good. That is a beaut. The snow has already melted off of her just in the last couple days. We're heading back with all of our stuff.